Oh, Minx, you get the control first.
Oh, okay. Your mission, should you accept it, is detailed below. Location, outside Unit 6. The hostage is somewhere inside the warehouse. Gain access to the CCTV system and enter the complex. No!
You can do it, Minx. We believe in you.
It's gonna be fine.
Okay, okay. Minimize casualties to avoid detection. Good luck. Okay, roger, roger. Ready? Here we go.
Ready?
Oh, God.
Good luck, guys. Oh.
Alright, will we just pop out and leave Minx to it? I'm sure she can
Stop
Yeah,
it!
that's just view.
Oh, God.
Oh my God.
Oh, there's Tom. There's Tom.
Okay, okay. I'm so stressed.
He's just immediately climbing.
Tom, slow down, Tom. Okay, okay.
All right.
Don't fall. Just don't fall.
Start doing that thing, Tom. Start using whatever is ahead of you.
Wait, where are we? There's just a
Press that button.
there's just a
button to
guy
press.
looking at the warehouse
Oh God,
floor.
wait, is that an evil guy? Oh God, no, we can't kill him. No casualties.
I don't think we have friends here. We have a wire box.
Wires.
Okay, guys, give me help here. Tell what would you guys do?
Start pulling him.
Just
start ripping
No,
him.
we are not attacking the guy straight away, Kevin. We
Punch
are
the wire box. If
no,
you take out
okay.
the wire box, then
Anna?
presumably it's offline.
Anna, please, do you have a say in this? Do you have?
I feel like we should pull those cables out indeed.
Okay,
Wait.
okay.
They're numbered. They're numbered.
Are they corresponding to the boxes?
Oh yes, there are boxes. You're right. Big brain.
There's numbers on them.
Big brain moment.
Oh, he's just working away.
Yeah, you start doing that, Tom. I'm here to help. I'm your backup.
He's pulled out
No.
one half of the cables.
He's not going to eat the wires. Okay, maybe. Okay, I'm looking. I'm seeing it. Maybe put them in a different way than they just were, Tom. Try that.
He's gonna wire him back up. So, I don't like this arrangement. Let me redo it. He's
Okay,
just...
yeah,
boxes
that's
that
what I
it
was
has
thinking. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, that's where I would put that
Does
one
this
too.
accomplish anything, like, other than just, like, blast out the circuits? Like,
Yeah.
I don't think you should rewire it like this.
I think this is perfect. I think. Why is it not green? Why is it not green? Okay, we're gonna try it. Oh, oh.
That was an
okay.
alarm.
Okay, okay, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, okay, we're gonna change it back around, Tom. We're gonna pull them all out again. I think. Okay, look at the boxes.
We're never gonna get past the wires.
All right. Okay. Chat's telling me to look at the boxes. Anyone? Anna, team. What would you look at here?
What's in inventory there? Is there a circuit thing in the
Yeah,
inventory?
what does that do?
tab?
Rewire the satellite to access CCTV system.
I mean, I think at this point just
okay.
ignore the circuit and you should just be going for
Tom,
that guy who's
could
just
you
like
look at the
scratching
circuit
through.
thing, please?
Come on, Tom.
Go on, Tom. Go
He's
on.
finding it. He's probably loads of things in his pocket.
Yeah, he's
The
just.
road
Oh wait, he's
reveal.
got.
Oh,
he's got a code for us.
That's
Hang on.
Yeah, it's in Russian. Okay, it was worth going to university.
I
for
gotta
something.
look-
Okay, we've got this.
Sideways.
Okay, Anna, help me here. I'm lost
It
in the
says,
sauce.
yeah. So it says this решение means solution. So that's the solution. A1, B2, C3, D4, and E5. But wait, no.
No, so
sorry,
it's
that
A
was
to
the
2,
original. Okay, sorry.
B4,
Yeah, the bottom one is the
C5.
solution.
Okay, right.
If you turn your head
Wait, let me
sideways,
write
guys,
this
it's
down
a
so
lot
I remember
easier
it,
to
because I know
do it.
Tom will have to put it away once.
Yeah.
Right.
Two,
So
B4.
1 is to E.
We got it.
2 is to A. Okay, 3 is to
D,
D. 4 is to
B,
B. 5 is to
C.
C. All right, Tom.
All right.
You can put the circuit away, please.
Okay. So we need to redo the wires.
Sorry about that, Tom.
It's like Tom needed to consult the manual. He wasn't sure what to do here. Take off the security.
All right, Tom, if you could please put the wire 1 to E.
I'm sure if you list out all the
Okay,
wires,
yeah.
and yeah, I'm
2
pretty sure he can do them.
instead of, okay, 2 to A, 3 to D, 4 to B, and 5 to C, please, Tom.
I feel like we're on countdowns, like on a constant, Tom. Give us another vowel, Tom.
What do you think those guards are thinking about? They're not doing a very good job. They're just like, I could have been anything.
Like, Tom's been standing here a while, like, just taking his time with the fuse.
Lovely weather, isn't it?
Yes!
It's green!
Done.
Let's go!
The satellite is linked. What does that do? Oh god, we have more cameras.
Oh my
Oh
god.
no.
Oh, no.
God, once you think you got past something, there's more.
Wait, so what do we handle with care box? That's all he had to do there, apparently.
Be careful, Tom.
Yeah,
Be careful.
He falls off
Yeah,
the
mind
ladder
yourself
with
on the
his
fall,
face.
Tom.
Uh-oh, I think they aren't our friends. Those gentlemen, they seem a bit unfriendly.
The objective is to take out the guard. Where is Tom at the mo? It's hard to see him in
so
the...
I think Tom
Oh,
was
he's behind.
In the top
Yeah, there
underneath.
he is.
Look at him,
He'll
he's
lead
hiding
the-
away.
there.
Where?
Oh,
Oh, there he
Jesus,
is.
scared me. All right, Tom.
He's incognito.
So Tom, what I want you to do? Oh God, Jesus, hold on now. Oh, what would I do?
He
Okay,
was so ready.
okay, Tom, I want you to just run and crack his neck.
You're just gonna run at
Just
him?
run,
Like-
but on your tippy toes.
Oh, this on your tippy toes.
Yeah.
This is Hitman IRL. My
To
God.
Really Scooby-Doo it.
Just choke him out.
Tore away over there.
If you sneak in comical fashion, he won't be able to get you. He's going for it.
He's going.
He's going.
He's on his tippy toes.
He's go. Oh my God.
No.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Oh, he's having a right snooze there. He's just having a nap.
Well, he's waiting for more directions.
Wait,
What do we
Tom,
do?
I need you. Take his hat. Take his hat, please. We need his hat.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we do need
Tom,
the hat.
can we
I
actually
agree.
take his hat? We can
Take his
drop it
hat.
on
We
the way,
need to
but I
collect
feel
our
like
hats.
It would just be like impressive. Thank you, Tom. He's taking the hat.
He's taking the hat.
actually
Wait, he's taking the
he's
whole
taking
thing.
whole
Oh, he said no, Tom. You went too far. You went too far. Tom, no. We just wanted his hat.
Full clothes.
He has a family, Tom.